Hi girls, welcome to math and happy Friday. Today we're on module 5, lesson 9. Our learning target is I can build and write fractions greater than 1 whole using unit fractions. Okay, so what we're going to start off with is right over here. I'm feeling like I need a little bit of a snack. So I have my 2 whole apples here. Okay, I'm going to cut them up into 4 pieces. Okay, can you see them here? Here's my one whole apple cut into 4 pieces. Okay, and now I have another apple I'm going to cut into 4 pieces. There's nice little bits here that I can dip into my peanut butter if I feel like it. Okay, so now I have my 2 whole apples split and cut into 4 pieces. All right. Let's have a look on our board over here. I'll put it back up so we can see. All right, right here is our whole apples, okay? And I split them into 4 pieces, okay? Now each piece, sorry, it looks like there's a light right on there. Each piece represents 1/4, right? Each piece of apple is 1/4 of the whole. Okay, so that's the unit fraction, is 1/4. Okay? Now our fraction for all together for the 2 wholes is going to be 8/4. Okay? And it's 8/4 because we have 8 equal parts we can count, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 equal parts we can count. Sorry, that light is right on there. Eight equal parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 equal parts counted for. Now remember, our denominator is the number of equal parts in one whole. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts in one whole. Okay? Now, here comes snack time. I'm super hungry, so I'm going to eat 6 pieces of apple. Okay, 1. Nom, 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 nom. 2. Nom, 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 nom. 3. Nom, 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 nom. 4. Nom, 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 nom. 5. Nom, 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 nom. 6. Okay, and I'm left with 2 pieces of apple. All right, so I ate this 1 piece, 2 piece, 3 piece, 4 piece, 5 piece, and I ate 6 whole pieces. Unfortunately, I don't have any space left for these last 2 pieces. So these ones will need to get saved in the fridge because I have no space left to eat those ones. So I ate how many? What is my fraction of ones eaten? 8/4 was my total. So now I ate, remember, our numerator is the number being counted for. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I ate 6/4. Okay? Because our denominator is the number of equal parts in the whole. Okay? Now this looks a little funny because our top number is bigger than our bottom number. Okay? So that's okay because that means I ate more than 1 whole apple, okay? Because 1 whole equals 4/4, but I also ate 2 slices from this apple. So I had 2/4 from over here, and that gives us our total of 6/4 that I ate. All right, so I ate 6 copies of 1/4, right? I ate 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 6 times, or I ate 6/4. That's another way to say it. 6/4. Okay? Let's have a look at this in a number bond because I know you got number bonds yesterday in your lesson. And our number bond can look like this. We have 6/4, and that means I need to have 6 of 1/4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, and 1/4. Okay, so that makes up our number bond. Or I could also have it as a small number bond and still have 6/4 in the middle because I ate 6 whole pieces. I ate 6 pieces out of the 2 whole apples. And I can say on this number bond is 4/4 because that is 1 whole. I ate 1 whole apple. And I also ate 2/4 from this apple. So 6/4 is made up from 4/4, and it's made up from 2/4. Okay, girls, that is us for today. I have my 2 pieces left over, and I already ate my 6/4. I have my 2/4 left over to make my 2 whole apples. Go ahead and log into Zearn and complete your lesson for today. Happy Friday, and I hope you have a great weekend.